Nice two-story home with full, finished walkout basement. The main level consists of living room, kitchen, dining room, laundry room with half bath, front porch, and covered deck overlooking the backyard and a view of the lake. The upper level has 2 large bedrooms, one which could used as the master bedroom, and a full bathroom. There is access to the upper deck from both upstairs bedrooms. The finished basement has a bedroom, a full bath and 2 additional rooms, one with a closet which connects to the bathroom. These rooms would be perfect as office, sitting room, rec room, exercise room, etc. There is a covered patio off the basement level. The basement is also suitable for in-law space with ensuite full bath. This home has a metal roof, wood-burning fireplace, and dual-zoned HVAC. There is a community boat ramp, conveniently located just down the street from this home. Enjoy the view of the lake from the home and lake.